Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying healthy and crafty as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina and I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching this type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks very much for your support. And in today's video, finally, I am going to show you my new craft room. Yes, I downsized, and for those who are starting crafting or you're still crafting and you say you don't have enough room, guess what? We can be creative. We can make any space and convert it into your own little piece of heaven. So I'm going to show you my piece of heaven today. So let's go ahead and move the camera so you can watch my new craft room tour. Well, welcome to my crib. So the craft room starts, I would say a portion of the craft room. This is the Ikea Kalax cabinet. I used to have this cabinet in the other house. It contains the same things like ribbons, trims, stamps, flowers, etc. Here's the couch, and I'm gonna move slowly, and sorry the lighting is not that great. Here's one of the lights because I don't have space for the 3 lights like before. And in this area I have the die stations. All the metal dies contained in these kind of like shelves. Okay, so this is where the magic starts, the craft room. I have here these kind of like shelf coffee table from Ikea. I have things like for my planner, and I have the papers, you know, and some things here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the craft room. I'm gonna move slowly so I'm not shaking too much. And here I have this sort of like a pegboard from Create & Paper. I have some projects here. Then on top I have that cabinet with 3 drawers. I have all the inks, some stencils, handmade card, and a container housing all kind of little embellishments. Let's see if I can come closer. I have here a picture of myself and my dog. Then on top I made that printer's tray. I took a class with Melissa Francis a couple of years ago. This is another project. I attended a Teams Halls class a decade ago. And over here are some of my tags that I made with the Prima doll stamps. I don't see it here. And then on this shelf on the bottom I have the Cricut, some of the paper pads, my sewing machine, and more stuff. So as you can see, my paper pads, I don't have all of them right now here. They're in my storage rooms. I keep here the essentials. Here's the Maggie Holmes rolling cart. I have a video of it. I will put that in the description box below. And this other rolling cart, I have all my sequin mixes, few stencils, cards, and the top tray is quite empty. And I'm gonna come closer to this other one, and these are all my planning things like sticker books. I have all the doilies, you know, some of scissors, and then on the bottom I have all the charms. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. And on the front here, these are the 2 Alex cabinets from Ikea, and I reorganized lately some things, like moved sticker around, chipboard here and there. So let me know down in the comments below if you want to see what it's inside. You know, I keep changing things all the time. And on top of here, it's another cube, and I have some of the, I'm gonna come closer here, adhesives, some of the cutting boards, and some of the little thin metal dies that I have that I'm gonna start using. And then on top I have these tonic Team Holtz mixed media, kind of like a glass mat. And this is a rolling Susan. Got all my pens and more knickknacks. And then over here I have part of my washi tapes. And on this cube I have things that I have it handy. I'm planning to use this one for flowers that I'm going to be making, and some of buttons and the Xyron. And then these 3 slots holds 12 by 12 paper. So I have here some of Maggie Holmes papers, crepe paper, regular cardstock, and some of the texture papers that I have bought at trade shows and Hobby Lobby as well. So now over here, this is my craft table, very small, right? And see here, I'm going to, and if you're wondering where is the mat, well, here's my craft mat. I have it over here, so when I'm crafting I put it here on top of this table. And of course a craft mat is a little bit longer than the table, but that's okay. Then on the front, that it's my editing station, workstation, and I have a little bookcase. I have a video on what I have on this bookcase. The only thing that I have changed on this bookcase is the bottom. The bottom, I used to have like the Scrapbook Trends magazine. Now I have all my punches, but it looks the same. All my bling bling here, and all the inks and sprays, and some of the tools that I use for mixed media. And then on top, it's some art from Jennifer Floats. And over here I have like a little owl that I bought in a shop in Lawrenceville, Pennsylvania, and a clock from Ikea. And of course the little K for Karina, right? Then over here is the same workstation. The only thing that has changed is the top. I have some pens and a beautiful doll that Cat Paper Love made. And I have some things here. I'm gonna come closer. Some of the art from Cat Paper Love, the radio and the little shaker. And then of course that's my messy memory decks tray. I have some of Adriana Alvarez memory decks cards and things like that. And on the bottom here I have a planner. Yes, I plan everything. And then over here, of course, I have my bunny. Easter is over, but I always keep him there. And some of more tools and scissors, etc. So yeah, so this is my craft room. This is where the magic starts and ends. So again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks again for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.